The computer science graduates, tomorrow's innovators, problem solvers. I'm Dr. Sandesh, Chairperson, Computer Science and Engineering Department. I've been in PES from past 18 years, and I started teaching computer science graduates with the core of computer science subjects like data structures, algorithms, database technology. When I demonstrate the hands-on programs to them, they really want to write the programs along with me, by which their learning experience in my classroom is very good. The quality I want them to imbibe in them is through their critical thinking. I did a capstone project with one of my team. We have developed an app for autism wherein it's a two-way communication app. I would like to advise students to learn it with experiential learning, where they also do the coding as well as implementations of the same. And I also ask them to participate in hackathons, go and attend conferences, and work as an interns in the centers which we have in the department. We have 3 centers in the department: artificial intelligence, natural language processing, computer vision. Computer science is a field which is constantly evolving. The technologies which are relevant today may be obsolete tomorrow. So have a mindset of continuous learning and open to new ideas.